Trust.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All
so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you miss.
Guys, we got our first 2 Christmas presents under the tree. These are both babes. I've wrapped my first 2 gifts. And then I had bought this basket earlier for the little thing I'm putting together for my niece. So she's got a lot of pretty much baby Disney stuff. So I just, anything baby Disney I've been finding so far, I've been picking up. So she has this neck pillow, a bottle, couple pacifiers, lots of bows, headbands, wraps, little thing of washcloths. So I'm gonna fill this whole basket up with stuff, but that's just what I have so far. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much that. Happy Tuesday and happy day 1 of Vlogmas, you guys. So you guys will be seeing this vlog on the first day of Vlogmas, and I'm super excited, you guys. I missed daily vlogging. You guys loved October on my channel. It did very, very well. And yeah, I know you guys are looking forward to this because I've been looking forward to it. So I hope that, you know, you guys have fun. If you're new here, welcome. And I hope you decide to stay around. I got some really fun stuff planned for the holidays, you guys. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff. Like, a lot of fun stuff. As you guys see, we put our Christmas tree up. I started wrapping Christmas gifts. Like, everything's really gonna be nice. And then we're doing a ladies night, like Christmas themed. We always do ladies nights at our house around the holidays. The last one we did was during October, and it was our Halloween one. So that was super duper fun, and it was a little bit more less scale. This time it's gonna be 15 of us, so it's gonna be a little bit of a bigger party. But we've had parties this big before. Our engagement party was way bigger than that. Stuff like that. So I'm really excited. We got a really, as you guys have seen, we got a lot of really cute stuff, and I'm just super excited I'm super excited for holidays, you guys. So I really, really am. So I'm feeling pretty good today. Yesterday was a pretty sad day. I did have to work. We started our working from home, but we're still doing 3 weeks of training, but it's all virtual. So I did find out some really devastating news that my aunt passed away yesterday, and you guys, I was just devastated. I was heartbroken, you know. I was just shocked, and I just wanted to, I don't want to get too deep into it because I will start getting emotional. I'm still very much so sensitive to the fact of just processing it, but I just wanted to say that to say, you guys, life is short. Life is short. You never know when the last time you're gonna see a person, you're gonna hear a phone call from that person, answer a text message from that person, hang out with that person, create memories and spread love and forgive each other and live your life the best that you know how to live, the most right that you know how to live, and just literally that's all you can do, because life is short, and it's a reality call. I feel like people don't think about death until death happens, because it's so depressing, obviously, to think about death all the time. And so that's why it's just so dramatic, like, wow, you know, and for it to be so close to home, it was really hard news. And it just made me want to appreciate life, and it just made me so grateful for the memories I did have with her and how much we did express our love for each other, because you don't always do that with people. And I feel like when you lose somebody and you didn't have that, you don't even have that to hold on to. So yeah, y'all, it was a pretty rough day yesterday, so I really didn't vlog much. I didn't want to vlog talking at all. I just vlogged me at work, but you guys could probably see I was a little bit just not into it. But I was able to kind of stay busy during work stuff, and because I'm still trying to learn this stuff. It was just horrible timing. Like, the timing was just absolutely horrible. So it's enough depressing stuff, guys. I just want to let you guys know what was going on, because it's definitely an authentic part of my life. And that's one thing I love about Vlogmas. You guys get to really get to know me more. I can show you guys more about what's going on and just relate with you guys more, and I love to do that. So yeah, you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'm excited. I have a lot of good stuff planned. We're doing a lot of fun stuff throughout Vlogmas. I'm not going to tell you guys everything. I did tell you guys about the ladies' night, but we're going to do a lot of fun, different stuff in Vlogmas. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I love you guys. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys want to see. I got giveaways coming up, so just make sure you guys are tuning in. Just make sure you guys are keeping up, and you know, making sure that you guys catch everything.
Slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again.
With my best friend. She's in town from California right now for the holidays, so we are going to Korean barbecue. This is my first time ever going to Korean barbecue, so I'm actually really excited. So I'm just getting ready. I'm actually doing great on time because we had to make a reservation, and the reservation is at 8:15. So yeah, I'm just doing my makeup now. And I love this MAC foundation, and it's literally gone. And I was wondering, I mean, I've had it for like a while, and I'm like, I wonder when I'm gonna have to get some more. But now, because it's pretty much gone, I'm gonna have to use it, you know, like scrape the bottle now if I want to use it. I was gonna do eyeshadow, but now I'm kind of thinking, I don't know if I want to or not, but we'll see. I think I showed you guys my influencer package already, and I didn't show you guys my Ipsy for this month, but this bag is super cute. I love this little green. I got some goodies in there too, but I got a package from Influencer. I think I told you guys about this already. If you have YouTube, blog, Instagram, and you like makeup or anything, I definitely suggest you get it. But they sent me a couple products from their Skin Awaken line, so I'm going to use this setting spray, the Revlon Color Stay Lock 24 hours. Because I like to use a lot of powder, and I don't want to look too cakey in my pictures. And I'm going to get dressed, something real simple that I'm wearing.
If you don't quit acting up, along this way you're going enough. I promise you may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. So we just got back from Dollar Tree. We needed to run some errands, and I got a couple of things I just wanted to share with you guys. We got a lot of stuff, actually, more than what we needed for some stuff we have coming up, but you guys will see it throughout Vlogmas. We got some stuff for the ladies' night to add more decorations, more stuff for the game. So that's going to be so much fun. I just can't wait. But also got just some little stuff I wanted to show you guys that I thought were really cute. So the first ones are these cute little champagne glasses. Yeah, these are Premier champagne goblets, and these are 6.25 ounces. So I thought these were really cute and just classy, looking for $1. I love getting glassware and plates from Dollar Tree. Me and Babe both do, because they're $1 and they're usually pretty good quality. So also sticking with the cups, we picked up 2 of these dinner plates. I thought these were just super duper nice, and I'm trying to just get better. I'm just more into like aesthetics and everything now, so I thought these would be cute like when I set up our little dinners, so I could start making the presentation look all cute. So yeah, that's just what these ones look like, and we only got 2. And then I've also been looking, I've showed you guys these plenty of times on my channel if you've been around, but these super cute bride squad glasses. This is one of the gifts that I've done for all of my bridesmaids so far, and all of the gifts. So I need 2 more, because I have 2 more gifts. I need to, or 2 more bride proposal boxes, whatever you want to call them, to make, and I only found 1. I've been looking for them, and I could have not been able to find them. They've had bachelorette stuff, everything but what I need. So yeah, I just think these are so cute and the perfect little gift. So yeah, I'm super excited to give that to my bridesmaid. And then I also picked up this cute sticker book. These remind me of the Happy Planner stickers, but they're at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, you guys know I'm super into planner stickers and decorating my planner, so I picked that up. And then the last 2 things I want to show you guys were these satin pillowcases I picked up for me and Babe. And hers says Sweet Dreams, and this one, mine, says Good Night with the eyelashes, and I thought these were super cute. So we already have satin pillowcases, so we can put these like as an additional pillow on the bed. Those are gonna look real cute because we got like all black on our bed right now. So yeah, that's gonna look real cute. So that's that, y'all. I'm about to take a bath, relax. We already know what we're wearing. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair, and that's that. We're out of here. I think I'm gonna straighten it. I haven't worn it straight in a long time. Just normally straight. I always curl it. What you think, babe? We'll see. But anyways, y'all, talk to you guys later when we get dressed. Also, you guys, I never showed you guys my mini tree that's on my vanity. So every year, Babe makes me like a mini tree. And last year, she got me this one. So she just made it all cute again this year. Put the star on top. And yeah, that's going to be cute for my background of my Vlogmas videos and everything. It's just right on my little vanity, which was just clean, y'all. And this is actually still pretty clean. For me to have did my makeup last night, like I put my makeup all away when I was done. I was so proud of myself, because usually it's a disaster. But I wanted to shout out 2 things. I wanted to show you guys my Ipsy bag for the month. First of all, I think this is just super duper cute. Like, that's a cute little bag, and it's velvet and emerald. I love that. But I wanted to shout out this makeup vanishing towel, you guys, from the Dollar Tree. What this thing, I was not expecting it. It's like the makeup eraser. I never tried it, never got into it. But I seen this at Dollar Tree for $1. I'm like, let me just see if it worked. It's supposed to be a comparison to that, which is like 20 bucks. Y'all, this thing took my makeup off so good. I used black soap to take it off, and then I used that towel, and it literally got all of my freaking makeup off. Like, I was really amazed. So I'll definitely be getting more of these. And I think you just wash them. Yeah, it says machine wash them. So that's bomb. And then in my Ipsy bag, let's see. So in my Ipsy bag, I actually got a lot of really good skincare. But the thing I'm the most excited about is this KP Bump Eraser. I've heard so many good things about this. It's an exfoliator. I can't wait to use it. And I'm glad it's not like a tube like this, because I can probably get like 2 uses out of this. I really want to see if I'll like this and try it out before I purchase it. So that was interesting. I got a really bomb lip liner that's right in season. This is an eye cream, an eyeshadow that's really pretty. Let me open it for you guys. Really pretty, like gold, like super bomb. I want to do a look with that probably for the holidays. And then I also got this night cream with retinol in it. So this was pretty good bag. And yeah, that's it, you guys. So I'm about to take a bath, relax, take my shower, probably figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair.